Welcome back, students. In last video we are discussing about the post harvesting process of cocoons. In that we already studied the 2 points, stifling and the sorting of cocoons. So in stifling we studied the three different methods of the stifling. So the stifling is included, that process included sun drying, steam stifling and hot air stifling, and the second one, that is known as second step, sorting of the cocoons. So here we are going to sort the cocoons, and after sorting of cocoons, now in this video we are studying the remaining other processes or steps which involve in the post harvesting process of cocoons. So the next step is the storage of cocoons. See, whatever the sorting of cocoon is takes place, the next step is the storage, because after sorting it is necessary to store them properly, and for the process of the storage we have to store all the cocoons, sorted cocoons, in the specific type of the room. We call it as a storage room. So here we have to give the protection to the cocoons against the fungus. We have to give the protection to the cocoons against the different types of insects, for example termite beetles, then the rats, ants, etc. Because these animals, they may attack on the cocoon and they may destroy the cocoon, and for that purpose we have to just give protection from fungus as well as from insect, rats and the ants. And that is we are just making, or we are just giving the protection to the cocoon, stored cocoons, just by periodically making the disinfection of the storage room. Okay, so this is about the storage of cocoon. Then the next step is sorting of cocoons. See, the sorting of cocoons, this step is repeated again. Okay, why the sorting of cocoon at this level is necessary? Because this sorting of cocoon is the process of sorting before the reeling, actual reeling. Okay, reeling means what? We have to just take out the single silk thread from a full cocoon. Okay, whatever the cocoon is there, we are going to remove a single thread. Slowly and slowly we are going to remove the silk in the form of a single thread, and that is known as the process of reeling. So before the process of reeling, again we are interested in sorting the cocoons, because as we are going to store the cocoons in the storage room, sometimes though we are giving them the protection, but sometimes still some of the cocoons, they get infected either by fungus, or some of the cocoons, they may get attacked by ants, rats. While sometimes what happens, see, the cocoons, they get stained. Okay, and due to that again the sorting is necessary, and this sorting is before the reeling. So this is the important step. Before reeling, again we are interested to sort out the cocoons. Now what we are doing in this sorting of cocoons before the reeling, we have to just remove the double cocoons, crushed cocoons, stained cocoons, malformed cocoons, flimsy cocoons, as well as the pierced cocoons. So we are going to remove all such a type of the cocoons. Now the workers who just get interested, or they engaged in the process of removing the cocoons, they are known as the sorters. See, not only the cocoons which are looked defected from outside, but the remaining other cocoons, for example the cocoons with internal defect, we are going to remove them also. For detecting the internal defect of the cocoons, we are using the specific type of a platform, and below that platform the electric bulbs or fluorescent lights are there, and the cocoons slowly and slowly they just go just passed through that particular platform. Okay, for example, see, just try to imagine that one machine is there, and that particular machine possesses the platform. Below that platform, the electric supply is there. Okay, so this light passes through this platform, and as it is a transparent platform, the light passes through the platform. And now we are going to pour the cocoons. Okay, many cocoons are there. They just slowly move on this particular platform. If the cocoon is defected internally, it is easily get sorted. Okay, ज्या वेळेला ह्या लाईट ज्या प्लॅटफॉर्मच्या खाली लाईट आहे तिथून जसे जसे हे ककून जातील त्यातला इंटरनल डिफेक्ट असणारा ककून आपण सॉर्ट आउट करणार आहे. सो हियर इन दिस वे, in case of sorting of the cocoons, not only the cocoons with external defect but the cocoons which are with internal defect, we are going to sort them here in this sorting of cocoons, which is done before the reeling. Okay, so this is about the sorting. Then the next step is that deflossing. See here, the floss, deflossing, D means removal of the floss, that is known as the deflossing. So here what happens, see, the unreliable part of the silk is there. That unreliable part of the silk is known as the floss. So when we are going to remove that particular unreliable silk, we call that process as the deflossing. Then the next step, that is the cocoon riddling. So in case of cocoon riddling, we are used the sieve. चाळणी आपण ज्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. ओके, सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द sieve वी आर गोइंग टू सॉर्ट आउट द cocoon in the 3 different sizes: large, medium and small. Okay, so depending on the size, with the help of the sieve we are going to sort out the cocoons in different categories. That is known as the cocoon riddling. Then the next step is that cocoon boiling. This step, cocoon boiling, is also known as cocoon cooking. So the cocoon boiling or cocoon cooking, which is made to dissolve the layer of sericin. See this, due to the sericin layer, what happened? Gummy or sticky nature is created, and due to that stickiness, the threads, they get attached with each other. Okay, and when the threads get attached with each other, it is not possible for us to remove the single thread. Like here we are unable, this is suppose the cocoon, so it is not possible for us to remove the single thread or the silk in the form of a single thread, and for that purpose the boiling is necessary, or we also called it as the cooking. So when we are going to boil the cocoons, the sericin is get dissolved, and when the sericin is get dissolved, the single silk which is present now in the single thread, and now we are going to remove that particular single thread of the silk. See, this boiling which is done by the 2 different systems, the open pan system and the 3 pan system. Okay, so all this is about the steps which are included in the post harvesting process of the cocoons. So which are those? We are just summarized it again: stifling, sorting of cocoons, storage of cocoons, sorting of cocoons but before reeling, deflossing, cocoon riddling, and finally the cocoon cooking or cocoon boiling. So all these are the steps which are there included in post harvesting process of cocoons. Thank you.